Hello friends, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to specially focus on DILR sets, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and it is very important topic for CAT exam, and your ability to solve these kind of questions generally trains your mind to do all different type of questions which are asked in different exams, which requires you to comprehend the data. In fact, it has been observed that those students who are good in DILR section, they are good in reading comprehension also, because you are able to logically interpret data in a very good manner. So that's why to practice this topic is very important. So generally there are a lot of different kind of sets are asked in the CAT exam. It can be puzzles, it can be pie charts, it can be let us say it can be different kind of games also. Okay, so today especially we are going to focus on games and tournament section, and the reason why I took this topic is that every year most of the time this question generally comes, and one set will come at least, because the reason is uh, when the question paper setter is setting the exam, so there are generally 2 to 3 slots throughout the day on the CAT exam day. So he has to maintain the same level of difficulty across the 3 sets or 3 different timings. So when the question paper, the person who is setting the paper, he takes the topic from games and tournament, then he can get a lot of different sets available. He can play a lot with the values. That's why games and tournament set is very important. And especially in games and tournaments, generally two types of 2 or 3 type of sets are there within this section. One is knockout tournament, okay, and one is league tournament, and other are like table with missing values tournament. Those kind of questions are there. Okay, so knockout tournament can be understood as knockout tournament is like, let us say, tennis grand slam. Okay, when the let us say 8 teams are playing or 7 teams are playing, and each team plays with other team only one time, and when the competition is there, the team which loses gets out of the competition. That is known as grand slam or knockout tournament. So every team gets one chance, and the moment you lose, you are out of the game. Okay, and that's how the winner is decided. So quarterfinals, semifinals, then finals, that's how the winner is decided. So there are certain terminologies in knockout tournament. Today we are going to specially solve one set of knockout tournament, and while solving, I will teach you different terminologies, how to represent the data correctly, and if you are able to solve this particular set of knockout tournament which I am teaching you, any set from the knockout tournament in the whole world you can solve. I can guarantee you that. Okay. Another is league tournament, or the question which is mentioned here. This is a kind of league tournament only. These kind of questions are generally like cricket championships. So each team plays, let us say, four teams are there in different groups: Group A, Group B, Group C. They play among themselves. Teams of B group play among themselves. Then top teams are selected, and then those teams play again like a knockout tournament, simple knockout tournament, and then the winner is decided. This is the league tournament. Now, table with missing values. This can also be considered as table with missing values. You can generally, these questions are like simple DI sets only, but different tricks are used. Different tricks are given, like in a different game any kind of trick can be given, or sometimes chess game is also given. That also come in games and tournaments. So you have to just figure out how to fill the table correctly. So these kind of questions, league tournament or table with missing values, that depends on your practice. But this knockout tournament, if you're able to solve the set which I am teaching you today, 100% you can solve any knockout tournament. So we will start from the knockout tournament itself. We have 2 sets today. One is knockout and one is simple, this league or robin round tournament. We will start from the knockout tournament itself. Okay. Okay, so this is the proper set of knockout tournament. In an Australian Open tournament, top 32 players of the world participate. Okay, these are seeded as 1 to 32. Okay, what is seed in knockout tournament? Let us say 32 teams are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What I generally do is up to 16 or 32 teams, I write it down. It becomes very easy. Okay, I do not have to put so much of my mind. So I generally write it down up to like 32 teams. If there are 64 teams, then what I do is 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 64. This kind of thing I do. Okay, if 32 teams are there, I generally write 32 teams literally. So it helps me. It may seem quite odd to you. You can prefer different example, but 100% accuracy is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, up to let us say 32. Perfect. So this is seed 1. This is seed 32. In knockout tournament, seed terminology is used. This seed word is used specifically. Okay. This is higher seed. This is lower seed. When higher seed defeats lower seed, so when one defeats two, it is simple knockout. Okay. If lower seed, this is lower seed, higher number means lower seed, lower number means higher seed, the player who is ranked above. This is higher seed. Okay. When lower seed defeats higher seed, it is known as upset. Remember these, see, 2, 3 terminologies are only there. If you are able to understand that, you can 100% solve all the knockout tournaments. Seeds, what are seeds? The players are different seeds. The player with higher ranking or lower ranking like 1, 2, 3, 4, these are lower seeds. The player with more rankings like 22, 23, 24, as the number increases, the seed becomes lower. When the lower seed defeats the higher seed, it is known as an upset. Okay. And how is the tournament there? Generally, the conditions are, if you read this set also, you will be able to identify in this set also. It is given that, see, there are seeds as they are seeded as seed 1 to 32 based on their likelihood of winning the tournament, with seed 1 being the most likely person to win the tournament. So it is higher seed. Upset is said to have occurred when a lower seeded player defeats a player who is seeded higher than him. For example, in the first match, seed 1 is scheduled to play against 32. In the second match, seed 2 is play against 31. So the set is like 1 plays against 32, 2 plays against 31. Similarly, 3 plays again 30. Similarly, it goes on when 16 plays against 17. So you can directly write as 1 plays against 32, 2 plays against 31, 3 plays against 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, and then 19, then 18, then 17. Okay, 1 plays against 32. So these kind of matches are there. And so one higher player, one higher seeded player, and one lower seeded player. We consider like there is no upset at all. We draw the table like there is no upset at all. Every time higher seed player wins. This is round 1. And also remember the sum of this higher seed and lower seed, it is 33, so it will be 33 everywhere. The sum here is 33, the sum here is 33, 33, so you can write as 33. So if there are 64 players, so one will play against 64, so sum will be 65. So you cannot draw the whole table. Okay, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4 and last to 64. If it is required that who will play against 23, then you are not drawing the whole table. So what you will do is 65 minus 23. So 2, 4. So 23 will play against 42. Like that you will be remembering. Okay. So this is round 1. After round 1, what will happen is, let me clear things. After round 1, only 16 teams will go ahead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one will play against 16, two will play against 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8 will play against 9. Okay, the total number of teams here which are going are only 16. Initially 32, 16, and also remember that if the number of teams are in a set of 2 की power x, so here it is 2 की power 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32, 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 की power 5 are there. So every time half of the teams will go ahead. Let us say if there are 33 teams, what will happen is one team will not play. It will be directly processed to the next round until these kind of sets are formed. So if odd team is there, one team will form out. Okay. So this is round 2. And in round 2, the total number is 17. 16 plus 1, everywhere it will be 17. Then what will happen in round 3? We are considering no upset is there. Always the higher seeded player, that is from 1, 2, 3, 4, that only wins. Okay. So in next round, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 8 teams will go ahead. So one will play against 8, then 7, then 6, then 5. This is round 3 and total is 9. In next round, 1 and 2 only will, 1, 2, 3, 4 will go, 1 will play against 4, this 3. This is round 4 and total is 5. Finally, 1 and 2 will be there, round 5. So total is 3. So this is final, this is semi-final, this is quarter-final. Okay. This we have drawn the table. It may seem hard to you initially for the first time. Once you start solving, it will become set in your mind what you have to write every time. If you read all the set, only this thing is mentioned. The team losing their matches are knocked out of the tournament while winners advance to the next round. There are no ties in the tournament. In the second round, the winner of match 1 plays against the winner of the match 16. Winner of match 2 plays against the winner of the match 15 and so on. The same process is repeated in each of the subsequent round till the person winning the last round is crowned as champion. So after this, finally, one will be winner. Okay. Now let us go ahead and answer the questions. Question number 1. If the player 17 causes the upsets in the first 2 matches, then against whom he will play in the third round of the match? Okay. Player 17 causes upsets in first 2 round. In first round, player 17 cause upset. So that means 17 will defeat 16. So instead of 16, 17 will be here. Instead of 16, 17 will be here. So 1 will play against 17. In second round also 17 causes upset. So 1 will not go ahead. 17 will only go. So here instead of 1, 17 will be there. What is asked? Then against whom he will play his third round match. In third round he will play 17 play against 8. So answer is 8. Got it? Upset means when lower seeded player beats the higher seeded player. So 17 causes upset in first 2 rounds. So in first round 17 defeats 16. So instead of 16, 17 moves ahead. That's why I drew this table. Once you drew this table, you can start replacing whatever is asked in the question and you can easily answer. In second round also upset is there. So 17 defeats 1. So instead of 1, 17 moves forward. In third round 17 will play against 8. So definitely 8 is the right answer. So let's see, let me erase few things first for the next question. Okay. Question number B. How many matches are played in the tournament? See, in 32 players are there. In first round, how many matches are played? I will show you trick also and to directly calculate also. First we will directly calculate. In first round, how many matches are there? There are 16 matches. 16. Second round, 8 matches are there. Third round, 4 matches are there. Fifth round, 2 matches are there. Final round, 1 match is there. So 8, 10 and 16 for 20, 30. So total 31 matches are there. Also it is now this is the normal method. What is the shortcut? This is a knockout tournament. So let us say 32 teams are playing. We need one winner. With every match, one person is removed. So we need to knock out 31 people. We need to knock out 31 people so as to get the final winner. So to knock out 31 people, how many matches are required? 31 matches are required. So that's why answer is 31. So let us say if X players are there, then in the knockout tournament, X minus 1 is the matches. This is also specifically when X is 2 की power n form, 2 to the power n form, 2 square, 2 3, 2 raised to power 4. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and like so on. Let us see the next question. Let me clear this. Okay. How many matches are played in the tournament? 31 matches. Let's see the question third. Had the total number of teams in the tournament been 43, how many buys would have been required if all the buys had to be given in the first round? Okay. Now there is a formula for buys. Formula for buys. So let us say 43 teams are there. Okay. 43 teams are there. So 43 lies between 64 and 32. So we will find out something like here it is 2 to the power 5, here it is 2 to the power 6. So 43 lies between these two numbers. So the number of buys which have to be given in the first round itself will be 64 minus 43. 21 is the right answer. Always remember this. Let us say if 54 teams are there. 54 teams are there. Okay. And so 54 will lie between 32 and 64. So 10 buys will have to be given in the first round itself if we want to remove in the first round itself. The reason is that we told you that every team has to, 2 teams have to account for 1 match. So when these are not in the ratio of 2 to the power n, then certain teams are left which has to be passed on to the next level across all the rounds. Then when you consider and when you find out, when you calculate, then you will find out that total number of buys are 2 to the power n, and let us say number of matches, and it is 2 to the power p. So total number of buys you will find out as, total buys will be, you need not drive actually these drive the formula of these things, just remember this simple formula. Okay, the question will be asked directly like this only, no trick will be asked to you. Okay, so here answer is, we found out how much, 64 minus 43, 1 2, so 21 matches, 21 buys is the right answer. Let me see, another question is here. If there are total 4 upsets in the tournament, then who is the lowest seeded player who can win the tournament? So total only 4 upsets are possible. Okay, so that means in we want to find out the lowest seeded player who can win. So one upset will be in definitely in round 5. Another upset will be in one upset, another upset will be in round 4, another upset will be in round 3, final upset will be in round 2. You cannot have an upset in round 1 because maximum 4 upsets you can have, and you want that person to be winner and lowest seeded person to be winner. So in round 2, lowest seeded player is 16. So 16 will defeat 1. 16 will be winner. So 16 will come here. Then 16 will defeat 8 in the round 3. So instead of 1, again 16 will go. Okay. Then 16 will defeat 4. Third upset will be there in the round 4. So instead of 1, again 16 will go. And in the finally 16 will defeat 2 and 16 will be the winner. So lowest seeded player with only 4 upsets which can win the tournament is 16. So 16 is the right answer. What it These kind of questions are generally asked in, let me see. Okay, another question is there. What is the minimum number of upsets by the player seeded 7th such that he won the tournament? Okay, we want 7 to win the tournament. Let's see. 7 and 26, definitely 7 will win without causing an upset. So 7 will reach here. 7 and 10, 7 will win without causing an upset. 7 will be here. Now if 7 wants to move ahead, so 7 has to cause an upset because 7 is lower seeded player. So one upset is there. Let me use different color. One upset is there when 7 defeats 2. So instead of 2, 7 comes here. Then 7 defeats 3. So second upset is there. So instead of 2, now 7 comes here. Now 7 defeats 1. So third upset is there and 7 can become the winner. Okay. So total 3 upsets are, minimum 3 upsets are required so that 7 can win the tournament. So answer to the question is 3 upsets. So I think 5 questions of this knockout tournament are complete. Yeah. So this was the knockout tournament. Let us see the first set which we are having today. See, the trick to solve the DILR set is you have to practice a lot. Not a lot of questions actually, you need to give time. So let us say you are preparing 6 or 7 months before the CAT exam. So solve one set daily, only one set. Believe me, in exam you will be able to get, in particular DILR set, easily around 98-99 percentile. Just practice one set daily. Now that set can be games or tournament, that sets can be puzzles. Try to solve different kind of set. That set can be sudoku puzzle. That set can be any puzzle from your mobile game. Okay, that set can be, there is a book name as Shakuntala Devi. She was known as the human computer of in the world. So there is a puzzle book of Shakuntala Devi also. You can solve those puzzles also. Any puzzle you solve, but practice daily. If you're not practicing daily, this is not something which you can get in 1 or 2 weeks. It requires, your mind needs to be trained like that. Then only you can solve. Okay. So let's see the question number 1. India, Pakistan, Australia, Germany, Netherlands are the 5 teams which participated in the World Hockey Team Tournament. The tournament was played in the first round robin format where each team played against every other team exactly once. So India will play against Netherlands, India, Australia, India, Pakistan, India, Germany. Similarly, Netherlands will play against India, Australia, India, Netherlands, Pakistan, Netherlands. So total number of matches in these kind of situations are find out as NC2. So here 5C2 when one team plays exactly 1. This is the simple formula. 5C2 can be written as 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial is equal to 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Now this can be written as 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1 into 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial cancel. So total number of matches are 10. And each team will play 4 matches. India will play against India, Netherlands, India, Australia, India, Pakistan, India, Germany. Netherlands will play against Netherlands India, Netherlands Australia, Netherlands Pakistan, Netherlands. So each team will play 4 matches and total number of matches will be 10. Let me clear this. These things really help you. Always remember, when each team plays exactly once, the formula will be 5C2. Okay, when each team plays exactly twice, so it will be 5C2 into 2. Exactly thrice, so 5C2 into 3. Okay. In these kind of questions, you can draw a table also. So India, Netherlands, Australia, Pakistan, Germany. So wait, let me clear a bit. India, Netherlands, Australia, Pakistan, Germany. Okay. Now you can write here as total or any comment, whatever you want to write. Let me write like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Obviously, India will not play against India. Netherlands will not play against Netherlands. Australia, Australia. Pakistan, Pakistan. Germany, Germany. So I put a cross here. Now we will represent win as W, loss as L, draw as D. Here it is given that winner was awarded 3 points. So winner gets 3, loser gets 0.0, and draw gets, both team get 1 point. And partial points are given. India is given 6 points. Netherlands no point is given. Australia is given 5 points. Pakistan is given 4 points. Germany is given 12 points. These kind of questions you have to observe very carefully. See, here 12 is given for Germany. So definitely Germany has to win all of its 4 matches. Each team plays 4 matches. So Germany has to win 4 matches, because 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then only 12 points will be there. So Germany wins, 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 wins. And Germany, India, Germany wins. So India, Germany loss, Netherlands, Germany, Netherlands loss, Australia, Germany, Australia loss, Pakistan, Germany, Pakistan loss. Simple. Now Pakistan 4 points is given. 4 points can be achieved by 4 draws. So 4 draws is equal to 4 into 1 is equal to 4. But it is given that Pakistan 1 loss is already there from our deduced information. So 4 draws is not the right. It can be 1 win and 1 draw and 2 loss. So 1 will 3 points, 1 draw 1 point, 2 loss is 0 points. Then 4 can come. So it is 1 win, 1 draw and 2 loss. Now Australia 5 points. So 5 points can be done by, use your mind, how 5 points can be achieved. 2 wins cannot be there, because then 6 points will be there. And at least 1 win has to be there. So 1 win and 2 draw and 1 loss. 3, 2, 0. So 1 win and 2 draw and 1 loss is there. Okay, for Australia. India, 6 points are there. How to get 6 points? 2 win can be there. Okay, or 1 win and 3 draws can be there. 1 win and 3 draws. So 3 and 3. But then loss has to be 0. 0 loss. But 1 loss against Germany is there. So 2 win and 2 loss. This combo can work. So this is 2 win, 2 loss. 6 and 0. Okay. Now again use your mind. It is given that Pakistan has 1 draw. Okay. India has 0 draw. Germany has 0 draw. Pakistan has 1 draw and Australia has 2 draws. So 1 draw of Pakistan will be against Australia, and Netherlands will also have 1 draw against Australia. Netherlands, one draw. So Pakistan and Australia draw. So Australia and Pakistan draw. And Netherlands and Australia draw. And Australia and Netherlands draw. Now you see this table: Pakistan, one win, one draw, two loss. Okay, we do not know the win yet. Okay, you see the Australia, one win, two draw, one loss. So two draw, one loss is there. One win has to be there. So this has definitely to be win. Australia, India. So India, Australia, India loss. Okay. Now two loss, two win are there in India. So two loss already done. So these has definitely we win. So India, Netherlands, India win. So Netherlands, India, Netherlands loss. India, Pakistan, India win. So Pakistan, India, Pakistan loss. Now Pakistan, only one win is left. So this has to be win. So Pakistan, Netherlands, Pakistan win. So Netherlands, Pakistan, Netherlands loss. Okay. So Netherlands is, whole of the table is filled. Netherlands is one draw and three loss. This is how Netherlands is there. Our whole table is fulfilled. Okay. So in these kind of questions, what you have to do is you have to keep on reiterating the comments. I have taught you in different sets also. Please watch my previous video. Different kind of sets I have used. In these kind of sets, you have to keep reading the comments again and again. And once you start solving, your mind will get trained. This will not come in one day. Remember it. It will at least take 2 to 3 months for you to develop. Initially, you will see every question I have to see the solution. Don't worry. After 2 3 months, believe me, you will be able to solve every set, but you have to give the effort. Okay, just keep on solving. Whether you are able to taking 1 hour, 2 hour, take whole day to solve one set, don't worry. But once you are trained in it, time will reduce to 5 7 minutes easily. Okay, now let's see the questions. How many points did Netherlands score? Netherlands, one draw and three losses there. So Netherlands score 1 point only. So answer is 1. Question number 2. How many matches resulted in a result? Win or loss is considered as draw is not a result. Okay. So total 10 matches are there. What are the 10 matches? Any side of the crosses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many draws are there? 1, 2. So 2 draws are there. So resulting matches win or loss are only 8. 8 is the right answer. 8 is the right answer. Question C, additional data. If in the given table the points scored by Germany had been 8, points scored by India have been 9. Okay, new table we have to form now. Let's see. India, Netherlands. How was the table? Let me see. Netherlands, Australia, Pakistan, Germany. Australia, Pakistan, Germany. So India, I would suggest you to pause the video, make this table, attempt this question number C by yourself. Try to solve it. If you have seen the solution of the first part of this question, India, Netherlands, then you can come again and then watch the video. The more you give an attempt by yourself, the more trained your mind will be. It is a thing of just to train your mind, nothing else. But it will not come in one day, believe me. 2, 3, and if you are able to train your mind 101%, you will be getting above 99 percentile in GET. It's all about training your mind. Read articles, read newspapers. Your reading comprehension section is done. You need not practice anything else at all. And but read from different sources. Obviously, I will be giving a separate video on how to prepare for reading comprehension. Quant, you have been practicing a lot. I am giving the videos also. Practice quant from there. DILR set also, practice quant from my videos, but you have to practice daily. Then only you can solve in the real exam. Okay. So how is if the given the point scored by Germany had been 8, so Germany is points. Let me write here 8, and India had been 9, 9. Points scored by Australia had been 7. Pakistan same. So Pakistan was 4. Okay. For how many matches could we determine? Let us first complete the table. Okay. So again, cross, 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 cross. Now Germany is 8. How to get actually 8? Generally, 2 wins are required. So 2 wins and 2 draw. Then only 8 can come. So 6 and 2. So 8. Any other combination, it is not possible actually. Let us say 4 draws are there. Then how you will get the remaining 4 points? So 2 wins and 2 draws. 2 wins, 2 draws. Pakistan 4. So for 4, either 4 draws are there, or else 1 win and 1 draw and 2 loss are there. So we will see how it goes. Australia 7 is there. So 7 has to be done by 2 win and 1 draw and 1 loss. So 2 win, 1 draw, 1 loss. Okay. India 9 is there. So 9 can be completed by, can it be completed by 2 wins, then 3 draws will be required? No. So 3 win and 1 loss. Okay. So Germany 2 draws are there. 1 draw of Germany will be against Australia because 1 draw is mentioned here. Other draw has to be against India. It cannot be there. So it can be against Netherlands or it can be against Pakistan. So let us say 1 draw of Germany is against Australia. So Germany, Australia draw is there. So Australia, Germany draw is there. Okay. Now Pakistan 1 win, 1 draw and 2 loss are there. So India has 3 wins and 1 loss is there. So here 2 wins are there and 2 draws are there. India has to win against whom? Can Pakistan be 4 draws? Yeah, Pakistan can be 4 draws also. 1 win and 1 draw and 2 loss. Then so 3 wins, and India is 3 wins and 1 loss. So Germany has to 2 win and 2 draw is there. Germany has 0 loss. So India cannot defeat Germany because Germany has 0 loss. So India has to defeat definitely Netherlands, Australia and Pakistan. So here winner, 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 and here loss is there. So Netherlands, India loss, 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 and Germany win. Perfect. So Netherlands at least 1 loss is there, and Pakistan at least 1 loss is there. So 4 draw option is not there. Okay. So definitely one of its draw will be against Germany. So Pakistan, Germany draw. Pakistan and Germany and Pakistan draw. So 2 wins, Germany, 2 draws are completed, 2 wins are. So this is also win. So Germany and Netherlands, Germany wins. So Netherlands and Germany wins. So Netherlands loss. Okay. Australia 1 draw, 2 wins and 2 loss, and Pakistan 1 win, 1 draw and 2 losses there. We have to identify against whom Pakistan wins. Okay. Australia 2 wins, 1 draw and 1 loss is there. 2 wins, 1 draw. These 2 are wins. Okay. So Australia, Netherlands, Australia wins. Netherlands, Australia, Australia wins. Australia, Pakistan, Australia wins. So Pakistan Australia, Pakistan loses. So 2 loss, 1 win is left. So Pakistan, Netherlands, Pakistan wins. Netherlands, Pakistan, Netherlands loss. So here 4 losses are there. So point is 0. Okay. So we have completed the table. Now let's see. How many matches could we determine the result? We could determine the result for all of the 10 matches. 10 matches. 10 is the right answer. Okay. 10 is the right answer. Now, how many matches definitely give the same result under both the conditions? Okay. So we will see these matches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So win, 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 loss. Let me see the table. Win, 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 loss. So 3 matches show the same result. India, Netherlands, India, Pakistan, and India, Germany. Yeah, in the first row. 3. So loss, loss, loss. Let me see. Draw, loss, loss. So 2 are there. Here 2 matches are there, same result. Now Australia win and draw. Australia draw, loss, different. Pakistan loss. So Pakistan draw, different. So out of total 10 matches, only 3 plus 2, 5 matches show same result. You can verify from both of your tables what the result is. Okay. So let's see how many matches give the same result. So 5 matches. Let me see. Yeah, we have completed all the sets, both sets which are, we have done knockout tournament today. Knockout. This is a very important set. Knockout tournament generally does not come every year, but it has come many times, and you solve 1 or 2 sets of knockout, that is sufficient for you. If you know the concept, you can definitely solve in the exam. Other is league tournament and different kind of questions. I will be bringing a lot more videos. This video is one kind of set which is used in games and tournaments. We will coming with a lot of different videos also. So I hope you are finding the course helpful and handy. This is a free course for students who cannot afford costly education. If you follow the course regularly, I can guarantee you can 100% get more than 99 percentile, or even get 100 percentile also. So till then, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.